Right, excuse this, but I'm trying something new. So you know when you're out shooting in bright daylight, you're constantly fiddling with settings, second-guessing yourself and honestly overthinking everything? Yeah, that was me, every single time. But recently I found a super simple setup, and honestly it changed everything for me. 3 things: ISO 200, f8, crank the shutter speed until the light meter's happy. It's that easy, and I'm going to show you why it works so well. So here's the deal. I was spending more time messing with my camera than actually taking good photos, which is the opposite of what photography should feel like, right? We're supposed to be in the moment, not worried if our exposure is going to ruin the shot. Now, when it's bright out, this is exactly what I do. ISO 200, f8, shutter speed adjusted to balance the light meter. That's it. No second guessing, no guessing games. I'm locked in, I'm ready to shoot, and I can focus on the fun part, actually making photos. Alright, why does this work so well? First, ISO 200 keeps your photos super clean, no crazy noise, perfect for bright light. Second, f8 is a sweet spot, super sharp, enough depth of field to tell a story, not too shallow, not too flat. Third, shutter speed becomes your only variable. Need a little more light, slow it down, too bright, speed it up. And you can see it all in the light meter, real time, no surprises. Since switching to this method, my shots have been way more consistent. I'm faster, I'm more confident, and honestly, photography feels fun again. I'm not stuck thinking about exposure every 2 seconds. I'm looking at light, at compositions, at moments, which is really the heart of it, right? So next time you're out in bright daylight, give this a shot. ISO 200, f8, adjust your shutter speed until the light meter's balanced. Take a few photos, see how it feels. I think you're going to be surprised. It just works, and it frees you up to enjoy shooting again. Photography doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest setups lead to the best results. If you try this out, let me know in the comments. And if you want more real-world, no-fluff tips, hit subscribe. More good stuff coming your way. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.